What if you could have the amazing flavor of homemade Filipino chicken tocino ready to cook any night of the week? We're talking that perfect sweet and savory glaze on juicy chicken without the last minute prep. Thanks Vesta Precision for sponsoring this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn 3 pounds of chicken thighs into perfectly portioned, ready to cook tocino packs. This is a game changer for meal prep and busy families. The secret weapon is the Vesta Precision V23 vacuum sealer. This machine isn't just for long-term storage, it's an everyday kitchen workhorse. It's designed for speed, flexibility, and reliability, making batch prepping a breeze. Let's get started! First, let's make the delicious tocino marinade. In a large bowl, we'll combine 1 cup of crushed pineapple, half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of banana ketchup for that authentic color and tang. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of annatto powder for that classic tocino look. Mix this all together until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now, add your thinly sliced chicken thighs into the bowl. Make sure every single piece is coated in that incredible marinade. This is where the magic starts. Instead of marinating this in the bowl, we're going to seal it directly into ready-to-cook portions. My goal is 4 12-ounce packages. The V23 makes this incredibly easy with its built-in roll, storage, and cutter. No more searching for bags and scissors. I'll just pull out enough for my first pack, slide the cutter across for a clean edge, and create a bottom seal. It's that simple. Now we have a custom size bag ready to go. I'm weighing out 12 ounces for a perfect 2-person serving. This method ensures all that flavor-packed marinade stays right with the chicken. Time to seal it up. We have a good amount of liquid in here with the marinade. I'm placing the bag's opening into the vacuum channel and closing the lid. For this, the normal vacuum mode is perfect. It's powerful enough to remove the air for a tight seal. If I were sealing something more delicate, like a piece of soft fish or even a pastry, I could switch to gentle mode to prevent it from being crushed. The V23 gives you that flexibility. And listen to that click. The auto-release handle makes operation effortless. Look at this perfectly sealed package. All the marinade is locked in and it's completely airtight. This prevents freezer burn and keeps the chicken fresh. Now, I'll just do that 3 more times. This is where the V23 Smart Seal technology really shines. It's more than just a sealer. It's a high-efficiency system designed for both vacuuming and sealing. It can handle 50+ continuous vacuum sealing cycles with no waiting required between bags. In just a few minutes, I have 4 meals prepped and ready. I can toss these in the freezer and they'll be perfect for months. Or I can put one in the fridge to marinate for dinner tomorrow. The vacuum pressure actually helps the marinade penetrate the meat faster. When you're ready to eat, cooking is so easy. Just empty a bag into a hot pan over medium heat. Let the chicken cook in the marinade as the liquid reduces and thickens into a beautiful glaze. Sweet, savory, and so tender. This is a fantastic weeknight meal made possibly by prepping ahead. From bulk buying to batch prepping, the Vesta Precision V23 streamlines your kitchen process. It's fast, reliable, and makes mealtime so much easier. To get your own, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye!